you know how it is with, codes and everything. So I'm called Williamson County Codes. They're like, oh, well, septic hasn't signed off yet. So I call septic. Oh, we put it in the wrong file. And so just but then I just kept back and forth, and then she called me back. She said, everything's set. I said, all right, where's my piece of paper? She said, it's in your file. I was like, oh, wow. All of that. 2 years with those people. Try to get all these.
And it's big old garage.
The doors are supposed to come next week. I'm going to fire up the hot tub tonight. I'm so pumped.
Oh, where's the hot tub? You mean with the waterfall? Is that?
Yeah, that's the hot tub. So you turn off the waterfall, obviously, when you turn on the hot tub. But yeah, I'm going to fire that up tonight.
And all your hot water goes out.
And then we can do cold plunges into the pool. I can heat the pool too, but I don't want to heat it this time of year. It's too much propane. But yeah, the turf. We're actually talking about planting blueberry bushes just on the other side of that fence there, because they love pine. They like the acidity of the pine. But so it's gonna be real fascinating. I mean, I'm sure we'll always keep it in the family, I think. But I think this home, what I really think about this home is that it's gonna be, when people see this home, they're gonna be like, build me one. You know what I mean?
Oh, so it's like.
Do you want me to give you the tour?
Yeah.
You got your advertising. There you go.
There we go. Okay, take off your shoes and I'll take you on the tour.
All right.
Go house. You sign.
Yeah, wow.
What is happening up there? When you come in the front door and you first walk in, you're standing right here. You don't even see the pool deck. All you see is water. Look.
Oh, yeah. Coming in the front door. Cool.
And then see how this arch and that arch mimic, like. That's the library. It's not outfitted yet. We're gonna do a whole building on this side for books.
Is there going to be a door?
Maybe a glass door. And then that's the dining room. It's not set up yet, but you get the idea.
It's a cute little cozy dining room.
Yeah, seats 10 people.
Well, hey, close the door all the way.
Powder room. Nice.
Watch out for these floors. They will kill you.
The kitchen.
Nice.
I turned on the gas.
Oh yeah, awesome.
I'm gonna light it.
And you got a big chandelier.
That's custom railing too.
Who made it?
A friend of ours who owns a welding company here in town.
Yeah.
Ben Giuliano. We just got the Christmas card there.
Oh yeah? Giuliano's?
Yeah. And that's gonna have a frame to be there, so that box will be covered up.
What's the material on that?
Large format porcelain tile. We had to use scaffolding to get it all out. It was so heavy, each piece weighed like 100 pounds. Okay, this is the primary. We don't call them masters anymore because that's like masters.
Yeah, it's primary.
Yeah. This is the primary. We have our own little fireplace, and then. What am I doing? Oh, these are bedside lamps.
Bedside lamps. And so this is where you'll be living, and that's your view out the window, huh?
Yep. Windows are still dirty, and I haven't gotten all the windows cleaned yet. But yeah. Imagine waking up to that view.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Kids jumping in the pool.
We have our little screen porch.
Cool.
And then
Private porch.
okay, this is what's really cool. I haven't gotten the mirrors yet.
Chandelier over the tub.
Yeah, we had to wait till after the inspection.
That's a cool tub.
We had to wait till after the inspection to hang the chandelier because we want to pass. They don't.
Oh, they don't want a chandelier over the tub.
Yeah. But all designers do it. Like every designer I know does it. Just everyone knows that they have to hang it after the inspection.
That's an open shower, huh?
It's gonna have glass.
Oh.
The panels haven't been installed yet.
I was gonna say it's like a Greek shower or something.
Well, it would make the whole
A
bathroom.
Greek spa.
But it is a walk-in. It's curbless, so it all drains down to here.
Mm-hmm.
So there's just gonna be.
And this is your walk-in closet here.
Yeah, it's not outfitted yet.
Ooh. Is this big enough for you?
It's the biggest closet I've ever had.
It's about as big as my bedroom.
I'll go upstairs.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is the coolest room in the house. Space.
Great.
This
isn't even mine. It's flat.
is Grace's room.
You have yes.
Ooh, purple, lavender. Nice. It's kind of cozy.
Yeah, the bedroom's
So what do we have up there?
That's gonna be a lot. We still have to make the access and the railing and stuff, but it's huge. It has its own window.
How are you gonna access it? Like a ladder or
Yeah, we're gonna make a
or a
ladder.
steep stair or something?
No, it's gonna be a ladder that hooks onto the wall and hangs flat, and then you can pull it out.
Oh. And they have a in-between bathroom
They have
here.
separate vanities. Each girl has her own vanity, but then they share the shower and the toilet.
Nice. And this is a shower room. Look at the tile. That's cool. Oh, lights. There we go. Boom. That's cute. Cute.
And then, yeah, she has her mess out. So this is our daughter's room. We still haven't gotten any furniture yet, so we're.
Nickel Creek.
She
Eh?
made her whole room to match the poster.
And we got a little hangout area here. You're gonna have a TV there or something?
Yeah, they're gonna have their TV use for the kids. The kids are this is Zedek's room.
Zedek's room. Nice.
Check out all the closets.
Did they get to pick their colors?
Yeah, they all pick their own colors.
That's what we did when
Look at
my parents built their house. We all got to
all the
pick our.
closets are built out custom.
Nice. Got to pick our floor and our carpet.
You did carpet?
My brothers picked purple shag, and I picked this checkered
This is,
kind of color. And he gets a private bathroom, huh?
yeah, and then he has to share it like whoever's across the hall. And then he has that separate shower room too.
Wow. So he shares it with the guests.
Yeah. But that's the shower room, so they can, someone can take
Pocket-
a shower
little
and
pocket
somebody
door.
can still be brushing their teeth or whatever.
This is the guest room. Nice. No. Oop.
There you go.
Oh, is that Wi-Fi?
It's a fan and a light now.
Oh, so you don't have your lights on Wi-Fi yet?
No, I don't have anything on Wi-Fi. There's no Wi-Fi out here.
Oh, that's right. Nice view.
It's in the dirty one now.
It's all right.
This is the art room that's floating above the breezeway.
So this goes above the breezeway.
The reclaimed cherry floors.
That's cherry.
Yeah.
Wow. Cherry
Very
floors.
artsy. This is for the kids that come.
It's like the art room.
Yeah. This art room. And it's totally a breeze. Like if you have the windows open on both sides, there's like a breeze that comes. It's so cool.
Nice. Wow. Okay, that's not finished. That's the
Yeah,
that's the
it's upstairs for garage stuff.
that's the in-laws' quarters.
Look at how big it is though.
Yeah, it's huge. Hello. Wow. You have foam insulation, lights all around. It's like the party room. Ooh, nice.
Look at this. This is the access to the attic in here. All the mechanicals are up there.
What, you put the mechanicals up there?
You put upstairs, like the whole system.
Oh, so it's a separate system.
Yeah.
That's smart. That's always a problem.
My favorite thing about this house is this. You know what this is?
A central vac?
Yeah.
Oh
I
boy.
have one downstairs and upstairs.
That's fine until it gets clogged.
Oh no. I've lived in a couple houses with them and I've always.
Really, you like them?
Oh yeah, I always.
I've torn them out of people's houses because they hate them.
Oh, I've every place I've used it. Oh, is that hot, babe? Yeah, look back at the streets too.
Oh yeah.
There's two streets. It's not. It's just kind of vibrating. It's not really. Like,
Yeah, it's not like a massage or
It's
anything.
not a massage chair.
That's your little prep room.
So anyway, that's with it closed.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know that there's a door there.
Oh, so you could do like Underground Railroad.
Right. Exactly. If you want it.
You can hide slaves.
Pop this down. Group setup.
Ooh.
There's a
Wow, that's way down there.
yeah.
It stays cool down here all year, huh?
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah, it'll stay like 60 degrees.
It's a geothermal room.
Yeah.
It's a wine cellar.
12 inches thick and full
Man.
of concrete.
Ooh.
It's really good. The years that I get a lot longer. Bed.
It's the laundry room here.
Surprise me. Wait, what are you making? I want that. Grace, is it okay? What are